Welcome to OFFEO. International Women's Day is around the corner. Let's see a few ideas in making greeting content for International Women's Day with OFFEO. First off, you can start with selecting one of OFFEO designer templates. To filter, you can choose based on the color. Once you choose the template, you can edit the text, graphics, and pictures based on your liking. You can find various women's graphics on our graphic stock. Use the keyword people to find expressive women images. You can also use cartoon graphics, which you can find in the characters category. Once you are done, you can export your project as a video or image. That's it for today's video. See you next time.